pocket options. I'm going to show you in this video how I use the Fibonacci retracement tool to get in some sniper entries. Before I dive into this, if you guys want to be able to copy my trades automatically over to your account hands-free, and meaning every time I take a trade on my account, those same trades will be copied over to your account. I only charge a one-time fee of $500. You also get access to my one-on-one training session where I teach you my strategy, my trading strategy. I have multiple strategies that can really get you to making money on pocket options. And not only that, I'm going to allow you guys to copy my Forex trades, my futures trades, and also, of course, my pocket option trades. And not only that, as a bonus, I'm going to talk about here at the end of this video. Stay tuned, watch to the end, and you'll learn more about that bonus. But let's get into it. So the Fibonacci retracement tool is something that I use on the charts every day, all right? And this can help you get in some sniper entries. It can help you point out where price will struggle, where price might, stall for a little bit, where price might want to start changing direction or reversing, okay? And you can get this tool, like I use this tool on TradingView. The Fibonacci retracement tool is also on pocket options, but I want to show you guys exactly how I use it on TradingView because majority sometimes I trade regular forex pairs on pocket options. So what I usually do is you can find this Fibonacci retracement tool 3 levels down where my mouse is at. I don't know if you guys can see that, but over here where my mouse is at is 1, 2, 3 levels down. If you click the little arrow, you'll see the Fibonacci retracement tool. Okay, this is the one that I use, and what you want to do is whenever price swing from the low to the high in a big movement, you want to use the Fibonacci retracement on a big move, like a strong move, either to the upside or to the downside. In this case, I see a strong move to the upside. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the Fibonacci retracement from the wick, from the bottom swing low to the swing high. Okay, that's a big strong move to the upside. So I want to start from the bottom to the upside. Okay, to the top. And as you can see, there's some levels. You got the 23.6, you got the 38.2, you got the 50%, you got the 61.8, you got the 78.6, and you got the 88.6, and you got the 100%. Okay. Now, what I like, my favorite levels on this Fibonacci retracement tool is either the 61, which you can potentially take a trade off of if you see some rejections there, or the 78.6, okay, or the 88.6. Those are my favorite levels, okay? Now, these are price reversal levels, all right? Now, also, price could also, reject the 23. I don't know why that came up. Price can also come down to the 23.6 and then continue to go up. I call this the continuation. I learned this from Colin Black, all right? Or, price can come down to the 38.2 here, right? At 38.2 and then start going up, all right? It's all about, doing this on the higher time frame because I like to draw the Fibonacci retracement on the higher time frame. And then what I do is I break it down to the lower time frames like the 30-minute, the 15-minute, the 5-minute. And then once I start seeing bullish movements off of the 4-hour Fibonacci retracement tool area, then I can get in a sniper entry. Okay, so what I would do is I would draw the Fibonacci retracement tool on like a 4-hour, right? And I know the 4-hour is creating higher highs and higher lows. Now right now price was, as you see here, price was creating lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, right? But now there's a change of character. Price came all the way up here creating a higher high because this high was higher than this previous lower high. So this is what we call a change of character. Now we're creating higher highs and higher lows. Now this movement, right, this pullback right here can be that potential higher low because now we went from lower highs to lower lows. Now we're going from higher lows to higher highs, and this pullback can be that potential higher low. And like I said, catching a move off of one of these levels, the 78.6 to 88.6. And like I said, the 61, the 78.6, the 88.6 are my favorite levels to getting entries off of. As you can see, price is at that 88.6 Fibonacci retracement level. Okay, so since I know that we are now creating higher highs and higher lows, and price is at a price reversal level, which is the 88.6, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to break it down to the 30-minute. All right, I'm going to break it down to the 30-minute or the 15-minute. And what I want to see is I want to see a shift of structure. Okay, once I see a shift of structure on the 15-minute and 30-minute, meaning the shift of structure, meaning we're creating. So let's say that we're creating lower lows and lower highs, right? I want to see a change of character on the 15-minute or the 30-minute, going in the direction that the 4 hours going in, which is to the upside. All right, and then what I do is I break it down to the 5-minute, and I either wait for a bullish engulfing, or you can even also use the Fibonacci retracement here too as well. As you can see, we was creating. I'll get my tool here. We was creating lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and created a lower low here, and then we created a higher high up here. Now now you're seeing a higher low here and then a higher high here. Okay, and I think I don't know if that I can't even see that, but as you can see right there, so literally you can wait for a price. Like this could have been your entry right here. I'll show you guys. We was creating lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower high here. You could have got in either here, or you can confirm. You could have confirmed and got in. Let me delete this. You could have got in maybe somewhere up here. Okay, but if you want to get in a sniper entry, what you could do is you can also use the Fibonacci retracement here. Okay, so I see here. You can see right there. As you can see right here, again on the 5-minute, when it comes to using the Fibonacci retracement, I like to use it on the higher time frames majority of the times, like the 4 hour, the daily, the weekly. But you can also use the Fibonacci retracement on the 30-minute, 15-minute, or the 5-minute to get in some sniper entries. So now that like remember on the 4 hour, again, on the 4 hour, we now know that we are in an uptrend, right? We was creating lower lows and lower highs, but we created a higher high. Now this could be that potential higher low here in this area, and now we also at a 88.6 Fibonacci retracement on the 4 hour Fibonacci retracement tool. So on the 5-minute, when you draw a Fibonacci retracement, you want to go with the trend. The trend is your friend. The trend is your friend. Always know that. Okay? The trend is your friend. You want to trade with the trend. You don't want to trade against the trend. Trade with the trend. Okay? So you can draw that Fibonacci retracement on the 5-minute, and right here, as you can see here, if you know that the 88.6, the 78.6, the 61 point level are price reversal levels, you could have got in right here off of this 88.6 Fibonacci retracement level. Right here, you could have took the trade here, and I'll show you what you could have did. Okay, you could have took the trade right here. Okay, put your stop like down here below the zone, and you could have just rolled it to the top here. Okay, and you would have caught a 4 hour on this trade. Okay, you see how simple that is when it comes to using the Fibonacci retracement tool. Now, it's not my full strategy. If you want to learn my full strategy when it comes to getting some sniper entries and really taking some really good trades, and you want a strategy that can increase your winning percentages, then my strategy that I'm going to be teaching you guys is going to do that for you. Okay, and like I said, guys, if you guys want to be able to copy my trades automatically over to your account hands free, you can literally do that by linking your account to my account. And I'm giving away 3 copiers. All right, I'm giving away 3 copiers. Let me see if I can find this. I don't know if I can. Okay, there we go. I want to show you guys what I'm actually going to be giving to you guys. Okay, let me see if I can bring this over here. I want to talk about what I'm going to be giving you access to if you decide to take take my offer. Okay. So for $500 one time, right? And don't even think about the $500 that you're going to be spending. Think about how much money I'm going to be making you. All right. Think about how much money I'm going to be making you. I made like over 1,000 plus in 2 days on pocket options. All right. And not only that, remember, like I also trade Forex and I also trade futures. So you can also be making money, with Forex and futures as well. But don't think about the $500 you're going to be spending. Think about how much you're going to be making and how much money I'm going to be making you. Okay. Now for $500 one time, you're going to get access to a one-on-one session with me on Zoom where I'll teach you my strategy, and then also you're going to be able to trade with me live on Zoom. Meaning, you can trade with me live. If I say buy, you can buy. If I say sell, you sell. And then you can also learn my strategy on these calls as well. And also, you're going to be able to copy my Forex trades, which you can use to pass prop firm challenges and get funded. You can also copy my trades when it comes to futures, so you can pass your futures prop firms and get funded. And also be able to copy my pocket option trades. And as a bonus, I'm going to teach you exactly how to run a copy service business. All right, that's right. I'm going to show you how to run a copy trading service business that can put you in a position to make $10,000 plus per month. All right, if you want to make $10,000 plus per month, you can make way more than I'm just lowballing it, but you can make $10,000 plus per month, allowing people to copy your trades. And another bonus to this is if you don't feel comfortable of allowing people to copy your trades, or you're not ready yet, or you're not comfortable to allow people to copy your exact trades, I'm going to allow you guys to leverage my trades. So meaning you can start this copy trading business, right? But you can leverage my trades. Meaning whenever you sell this service to people, I'm going to allow you guys to leverage my trades. Meaning my trades, even though you're running, this is going to be your own copy trading business, but your people that you sell this service to are going to be copying my trades automatically to their account, making it easy for you, and literally you don't have to do nothing. All right. So this is what I'm going to give you access to for a one-time fee of $500. If you guys are interested in this, reach out to me. But I hope you guys got value. This is how I use the Fibonacci retracement tool.